Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of my dumb series that I forced myself to continue doing for about 228 days. So welcome to day 228 of more bullcrap because, you know, the worst programmer to ever exist. So let's get to it, brothers. We will learn about HTTP headers. Are we really almost done? That's kind of crazy. It's really easy. So we've got this request. Okay, first off, let me get status. Get add everything. Get commit. Refactor, TCP connection. These are not that. We got a request line, so we'll learn about headers. We got the request line. Now it's to parse the request headers. When we say headers, it's important to note that the RFC doesn't call them. The RFC uses term field line, but it's basically the same thing. For each field line consists of a case insensitive field name followed by a colon, optional heading or optional leading white space, the field value, and optional trailing white space. One important thing to note here is that there can be an unlimited amount of white space before and after a field value. However, when parsing a field, there must be no spaces betweenx the colon. Betwixt. This is a fucking word? What? This is a word? Betwixt. I've never seen this word. Okay, actually it kind of looks like a word now. Betwixt the colon and the field name. I actually never seen this word. There must be no spaces between the... Oh, okay. These are valid, but this is not. Okay. So create a new package in your... Okay. Let's do this. In our CMD or internal? Internal. And we will make a folder called headers. Headers. Boom. Inside of headers, create a headers.go file. And let's add this type. Type headers of string or a map string to string. Okay. So a map that takes a string as a key and a string as a value. Create a new method for parsing request data into the headers map. Okay. Okay. Create a new method for parsing request data into headers map. Create a new headers test file. Okay. Headers Okay, that's gotta be a bug.
I hear Camilla singing K-pop demon hunters.
All right. Create a new headers test file. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So we make a headers, create some bullshit bytes, and then we will dot parse it. Okay. No errors, no nils. Okay. Okay. 23. What does 23 here mean? Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm kind of confused here. You can make methods in. I actually have never seen this before. Make methods in maps go. What? Or type. Or type. Uh, uh, type and make method in go. Okay. Create a new headers test file. Okay, I get it now. So we have parse. So first things, mutate the headers by adding a new key value pair. Okay, that is true. So we have h here. H dot or h. Well, first I need to. Okay, it's gonna be similar logic as our other one. So let me see. As a request. So let me do this. Okay. Okay, make a map. Make a map and go. Make. Okay. Okay, so we'll do this. Headers map. Oh shit. Like I've never seen this pattern before. So we could wait. So wait, do we create the thing first? Mutate the headers by adding newly parsed key value pairs. Okay. I see. So, okay. Let me do something first. Let's do const crlf. Do this, or and then hold on. Similar logic to this. Is buff. Eh. Okay, I already have the data in bytes, so I don't need to read it, but I do need to. I have this, that parse. Wait, can I use the what I have already? Wait, should I be using this? No, I shouldn't, because this is different. Okay, I need to find where the CRLF is. See. Okay, there it is. This one. So I do this. Right. I guess we'll import that. Import bytes. Okay. Then we will error handle if idx -1 0 false fmt.error. Oh, there should there be an error actually? No for error. Otherwise, it should have iteratively keep building it. Okay. Okay, so I guess there should be like some kind of for loop. Right, for true. And then well, actually, never mind. Oh. Okay, so we have this, and then I need to return. Okay, so mutate headers by adding newly parsed key values. So I need to print. Okay, so I get data. I should split. Let me see request. Okay, so let's do that. We have parts, right? So we'll have data or okay, with strings dot split headers. What's happening right now? What? Why can't I use it like this? What is happening right now? Yeah, I just realized. Where is this new headers thing? Okay, I need to make that. Okay, because I think that's what I need here. Okay. Okay, now we're happy. Now go run the driver. Okay. Let me see something real quick. Header test. Let's try this one. Kind of confused actually. um, okay, I see the white space, which is kind of nice, but the problem is I need to know what is an element here. So let me do this. Oh shit, I'm stupid. Oh fuck, I can't do that. Never mind, never mind, never mind. Damn it. Okay, how about this? Go back to this. And I think it's just data. Let's go. I go here. And I just print this for t print ln parts. Okay, makes sense. Okay. That's kind of useful. Hold on. Because, okay, where am I going with this, guys? What I'm trying to do, right, is trying to figure out, like, you know, like, trying to figure out, like, where is the white space? And if it's noticeable if I split it by colon, right? And that's kind of concerning because there is space here, but not here. But now let's try this one. I want to see. Oops. I want to try this one. See, I'm never gonna know. Unfortunately. So how am I gonna check? Hold on. Let me check something. I have an idea. Okay. I don't want to. Should we try to split by colon? I don't know. Where should we split by? Actually, hold on. Yeah, let me cook. Hold on. I have an idea. We should split by space. Because watch. We split by space because watch. Right? What's gonna happen is boom. We will know if watch. We will know if host connects with the colon, it will be a part of the thing, and it's not, and that is bad. So therefore, like if we go back to our other example here, right? Right. We see exactly. That's exactly why. So we should split by space. Okay. Now I know what to do. Let me cook. Okay, so we can split by space, right? I guess find find I guess we can find index so we know that it's split by space, so we each element wait right, like all of this is space here, and it's not it's its own thing. So I guess the logic is basically if man, how do I do this? How do I find strings? I don't know what to do now. So like we had no space like in the front, so that was fine. But this is a whole word. How do I do this? Mutate headers by adding newly parsed key value pairs. Return the number of bytes consumed, done, or whether or not it's finished parsing. This is the problem. I want to ignore all spaces. But this is used for here. Cut. Let's use cut instead. Because for stuff like this, it's going to split this too. I don't want it to split that. So if it's a Malman formed one, this would be more than 3. More than 2. So at most, it's always going to be size 2. That's our way to check. So how do we use this? That's before, after, and found. Let's do that. Before, okay, what does that do? Before is if sep does not appear in S, parts, and then we don't care about this. If parts, I guess length of parts does not equal 2, we have something wrong. So we will return 0, false, and fmt dot errors will say headers are not properly formatted. Headers are not all right. Let me cook, guys. Let me cook. Okay, so now we know this is the case. Other than that, now we can just peel it now, right? H is now H is now the parts. Why can't we do this? Oh. Wait, what? What's wrong with this? What do I do to reference itself? This doesn't have any variables. Like I don't understand the thing here. I'm confused, bruh. Cannot use part 0 as string value in map index. Oh. That's weird. Bro, what? That is wrong. Oh. I think it's because I have the bad example. Wait, what? This is the good example. What are you fucking talking about? What? This doesn't make sense. Why is the host getting split? Oh, wait, what? Oh, that's what it meant by before. Oh, okay, okay. That's perfect then. Ooh, okay, that's actually found. This is way better. Let's do this. If not found, or I guess that's better. If not found, return. Wait, I want that thing back. If not found, does not equal. Then. Oh, and then H before key value B, let's say key. Beautiful. There you go. And we'll say we consumed length of data and true. Alright, see this. We failed. Oh, forgot to import it. Wait, it should be in the same package. It should know. What? Huh? What? I'm confused. What's happening here, guys? Why can't I do this? Wait, why can't I do this actually? I think it's because I can't write it like this. Func test headers. What's wrong with this? Why? Okay. Test. Failed. Expected. Actual. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. Let's just do some more cleanup. Okay, strip away. Strip white space. Strip white space. Go. Okay, strings dot strip space. Strings dot trim space. This looks ugly. Let's make these more thing here. So let's say field key a field value boom 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 field key field okay minus length of CRLF because we didn't really consume the huh. Or actually, we only consumed length of K plus length of V. Is that better too? Okay. Okay, never mind. Plus 1. Okay, plus 2. I think it's the data minus CRF, yeah. An error expect got nil. What are we talking about? Is it this one here? An error is expected but got nil. What? So it did find it. It just probably didn't go through this. Right? Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing. Bro. Well, actually, it did find it. Oh my god, that makes sense. It did find it. Okay, there's another thing too. What is this case here? Hold on, let me cook. Let me see something. I think I know what. It's this shit here. Yeah, makes sense. It's putting its whole thing. Oh my god. What is the first occurrence? Let me see something. Um. Okay, let me see something. What is? I actually don't want the right. Okay, I think. The final result reports their separator appears in S. Fuck, bro. Wait, what appears like this? Okay, let's say it does appear, but it's not in the correct way. Oh my god, I actually did this wrong. God damn it. I did this wrong. Because the way I'm thinking right now, right, is like this, right? So, okay, I think I need to do, wait, splits only first occurrence. Go. Oh, split n. Okay, I think that's a better one. Cause, yeah, let's do this. Alright, scrap this. Okay, so we'll do this. So we're doing this. So parts equals strings dot split n of data or string data of the colon if length of no, and then one more thing, 2, if length of parts does not equal 2, I return. No, I can't do this either, because the freaking thing, this test case here would probably split. I'm kind of confused. What would this do actually? Like, okay, if I split this, right, the first occurrence would be this and this, or it would be this and this, right? I'm confused. This is not gonna work, guys. Another refactor. Let's do this instead. So we'll do this. I'm going to iterate through the parse. Or trim space. Okay, let's do this. So for every character in range of data, we will check if character equals I should really convert this to string. Well, I don't know. I don't know if that would matter, right? Okay, makes sense. That's why we need to iterate as string instead. Mismatch type row and untyped string. Okay. Okay, so right then, if I actually need I actually. If I, or if I wish this was field string equals this field string if field string at I or -1 equals does not equal a space, we break. Or if it does, then we return an error. So we'll do this: return 0 nil fmt.error. We'll say header not in expected format. False. There, happy now? Okay, if it is, okay, let's say we pass through, then we can safely split, we can safely split key value found. We can safely split by strings dot split the field string, or not split, let's do, yeah, split. No, I actually don't want to do, let's do cut or split. Yeah, split, and this, and, or let's do split by this. Yeah, let's do that. Split by the colon and at most 2 elements. What's wrong with this? Okay, relax, I just started it. Okay, K to if, and then we'll do field key strings dot trim space key boom value v. Also we'll do if not found. That doesn't really make sense, so we'll just get rid of this. Why are we crying here? What? Oh, I forgot. We're doing cut instead. We're doing cut. Let's do cut, yeah. Yeah. Alright. Then we will now do h of field key field. Okay. Oh my god, bro. Oh, okay. Oh my god. This is not gonna work too, bro. Cause, okay, for the second bullshit, like, for example, for like, for like stuff like this, no. Like, okay, let's say there wasn't even here, like, this stuff here, right? What do? It's gonna start splitting this bullcrap. No. Also, I don't want to read all the way. I should just read up to IDX. Let's do that instead. And then I should also do some other stuff. I should check if K has any after stuff. So like before this. That's true. This is the important thing. Okay, I think I can trim left and right, Trim left and trim. Good. Okay, nice. Let's do that. Trim left. So first is let's do this. Trim left, right? But don't trim the right though. Right? String, what? Oh, good. We can do that. Then we'll do this. Let me deep print ln key. Go run this. Okay, that's kind of nice. Let me see this one. Internal request headers. Driver.go. Do this. Why did I just paste this? What? That's not valid though. Okay, that's good. Okay, that means we have bad thing. So we trim the left, but I don't have a check for the after. Basically, can I see this? Field key dot. Let me see this. If this is a space, that's really good. Boom. Ah, fuck. Okay, I don't know what that means. Yes, a space. Okay. So if there's a space after this. Yeah, if there's a space. So basically check if field key at length of field key equals a string, an empty space, return 0 false FMT error F, malformed header where key has trailing white space after field name. Okay, let's try it again. Boom. Oh no. What? Oh fuck, no. We'll do -1. Do that. Boom. Alright, nice. Okay. So that's good that that didn't run, because that would have messed things up. Also, I don't want to run this. I want to do IDX plus this. So boom. Get go test this. Should be false. What am I missing? Should be false. What? Am I not getting false? Oh fuck, hold on. I'm probably not considering another case. Fuck, bro, it's taking so long. Yeah, it should be false. So I'm not getting false. I mean, something's flying through. Which is kind of concerning. Let me see something. T print bruh. Let's do this. It does. It's flying through. Not good. So that means it's actually printing t dot print ln do this field key value. Weird. I'm actually getting what I want. Okay. Why is this not triggering? Oh, maybe it's not the... Maybe, what if I do this? Yeah, what if I do that? What? Okay, true there, no. Okay, let's try this again. Finally, okay. Let's do boots here. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.